What is going on, Big Dog Motorcycles, family, friends, riders, and owners? Obviously, I've got some apparel here. We're gonna get right into that. But very first, guys, make sure that when you're looking for parts for your bike, that you're only using factory certified, genuine OEM Big Dog Motorcycles parts. The absolute best place to get the parts direct from the factory is shop.bigdog.net. Or you can just go to bigdog.net, click on the parts link there. That will get you a direct line to the parts right from us. If you're going to eBay, if you're going to Amazon buying Big Dog parts, there's a chance you're getting them from us anyways. It's just taking more time, it's more convoluted. Or maybe you're getting them from an unreliable third-party source or somewhere. Who knows where they're coming from if it's not from us. So save yourself all the hassle, save yourself the worry. Go to shop.bigdog.net. Get your factory certified OEM parts today. All right, let's get right into this, guys. So we've been talking about apparel for a while. I've literally got dozens and dozens of different pieces of apparel in the works. Let's just jump right into what you can get today. So if you go to shop.bigdog.net, we've got these in inventory. I actually just moved the boxes out of the shot. You can get yourself several of these t-shirts. I've got shop shirts, I've got muscle shirts, I've got jerseys, I've got a lot coming up here. So let me get right into it. First of all, I'm gonna bring these up. I'm watching myself on my phone here. We're going new school. Make sure you can get that shot. Get this guy, shop.bigdog.net. Got this in a couple different colors. So you can do that guy in gray or go with the trusty black. That way you can take it into the shop. Nobody will know if you get a little bit of dirt or grease on it. It'll still look good. You got the print on the front and the back. So those are a couple of t-shirt options available today. Another black t-shirt option we have at shop.bigdog.net. Same thing. Got our logo on the front, established 1994. These guys are everything we've got, super high quality. These guys are next level. I've got some Bella canvas. I've got really good stuff. Everybody needs a t-shirt or two to represent, so make sure you've got a couple Big Dog t-shirts. Next is we've got a pretty solid shop shirt here. This is embroidered. We've got Big Dog Motorcycles embroidery on the front and on the back here. Take a good look. Super high quality. That is a solid, thick shirt. Red cap. These guys, it's kind of like Dickies, you know. This is, you can put it through some abuse. I'll give you a little more info about this shirt here with our skulls and dice. And we've got some pretty mellow stuff. We've got some that's a little wild. I got something for everybody. All right, now for those of you who do a lot of hard work, either like to work out or you just do a lot of physical labor, you got some arms to show off, we've got a screen printed muscle shirt here. So this is screen printed on the front. This is also available right now, shop.bigdog.net. Again, screen printed on the front of this guy. Nothing on the back of this one. I'm also going to get you guys set up with discounts, giveaways, and a line of communication directly with the factory so you can hear everything that's going on and really be up to speed with what's happening, whether it's through social media, whether it's through your email, whether it's through text, whatever way you prefer. So this big complex thing that we've been working on and dreaming of for years, this is a Big Dog Motorcycles Owners Registry. It's not a group, it's not a club. This is literally a place where you, if you're an engaged customer, and you want to know about everything that's happening from the factory and you want to get discounts and you want to get signed up for free giveaways, this is the place where you can go, you can put in the information of your bike, your year, send in a picture of your VIN number, type it in and verify that you actually own a Big Dog motorcycle. And what that's going to do is put you into the Big Dog Motorcycles Registry. So if we have a special discount going, something happening for your year and your model bike, we can send you out communications via your preferred method. You can opt out at any time and we'll never sell your information to anybody.